Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we are going to be checking out coupons if they're any good, and these are the latest coupons from Banggood which were sent to me, and I thought I'd share them along with you guys to pass the savings here. So let's get started here. Now some of the red ones are basically expired coupons, so you're not gonna be able to use them. So first of all, we see they also have the all new HGLRC Sector 5 here. This is with the Ratel. These come basically in two different flavors. They come 4 and 6S. And some come with the HD setup. This is just a normal setup here, so 250 bucks. What do we have? 10% off. We have 10% off currently on this, so let me actually mark this for you. There is a version that comes with the DJI, the HD setup. I think they might have a coupon for it here. We'll double check that in a bit here. So you get basically around 25 bucks off of this right now, and it's 250, so you get it for 225, which is I think even cheaper than HGLRC's website currently. So that's really nice to see here. What else do we have? We have some toothpicks. I've never tested these toothpicks, so I can't speak highly of or very bad of because I don't know how they perform. Now, this is really nice. The Emax Tinyhawk. This is the complete combo. You get 10% off here, which gives you the goggles and the controller. And I've tested this. It's actually pretty nice. It's really usable actually, and it's a nice little setup. I don't know if it's a bit expensive. I think they should have hit the 150 mark on this. At least with the coupon, you get a little bit closer to that. You get $19 off of this. But overall, it's a really nice kit to give somebody to start learning how to fly. It's very smooth, very quiet, and you can fly this in the park, and you have just about everything you need here to get going, which again is a nice thing. It's a really nice flying quadcopter, and I have also used those goggles and that controller, and I found them just, I could use them. They weren't hindering my performance, so they are totally usable, and it's a very good FPV starter kit. The LOL 3 HD, I personally loved it. I don't think I tested the DJI one. This is the DJI one. I really love this one, but there's a problem with a lot of people, with what they don't like about it was the at least not with the DJI one. The other one, the HD one, I think had the props in the shot, and people really did not like that. Or was that the bigger one? I don't really remember anymore, but I do love the LOL 3, that's for sure. It was a really nice, efficient flying little beast. This is 320 bucks because it has the HD setup inside. With the coupon is, what is that? 12% off currently right here. So that's pretty good. Beta FPV, a lot of people speak highly of. This seems to be the kit, and again, it's 10% off. Let's just go ahead and double check it. Yeah, this is a kit. I never tested this, so I can't say nothing. I like the gimbals though. That's what I could tell you immediately here. This is a really nice thing to see here. I'm not really a fan of 1S micros / brushless quadcopters. I'm not really a big fan of, except one I just recently got, which I'm working on the review right now, which was the Mobula 6 HD. That one's nice. I mean, you get 2 minutes and 40 seconds of flight time, I would say, safely without ruining the battery. And it has a run cam split on there. Beautiful feed. I actually really enjoyed flying that thing. But yeah, we'll come back to that later. So this could be pretty decent as well. Let's actually scroll down slightly. The Green Hornet, if you're looking for a scene whoop, here's a 12% off coupon currently. I did fly this one. It flies okay. Just the video transmitter isn't as good as I would like it to be. So yeah, and that's a pretty decent price for what it is. Flight time's okay. I mean, that's how it is with most of these, really. The GETFPV group, never really tested that one. So here we have FPV stuff. There's a lot of like $5 off, $12 off, not a percentage off of specific things. I personally do not recommend this. I'm actually going to make this in red. It's unless you're on a really strict budget, I don't think you should purchase this because the quality is absolutely terrible. Oh, it's $100. Why is it so expensive? I didn't like it. I have it, and it didn't even deserve a video, really, in my opinion. But yeah, it's still, if it was 50 bucks, then yeah, it's not a bad deal. But I don't think it's worth what it's selling for, to be honest. But that's my opinion. Yours might be different. Here we have a Fox here, which has really low latency, 4 millisecond of latency. This is the one I have tested these. They're $5 off currently. How much do they cost? Around 20-30 bucks maybe. Whoa, no wonder they're $5 off. So yeah, 35 bucks if you're looking for a low latency camera from Fox here. That's one of them. And we just have more $5 off of cameras and stuff. So here's a 3-axis gimbal for the DJI Phantom. What the hell is this? Let's actually see this. What is this? Oh, god damn, this is so old. Yeah, nobody's gonna buy that now. Well, somebody will eventually buy it once it keeps dropping in price. Yeah, I don't think anybody would be really interested in that. This is really nice, actually. Check this out. We're finally seeing 21700 lithium ion packs as batteries being sold pre-made. Now, you usually can get these from smaller websites sometimes. I paid an arm and a leg for 2 previously, which I still use to this day, actually. This, but it wasn't a 21700, it was an 18650. 5000 milliamps on a 4S. I don't know what's the output, the constant current output here, but you can put max continuous discharge current is 10 amps. You could probably do something like let's see, like a high kV, like no, low kV, but like a 1900 kV on a 4S, maybe a little bit lower than that, and to be a 5-inch or 4.5 inch, then you could probably get some decent flight time, but it'll be pretty slow. But if you're not looking for speed, that would probably be pretty interesting. 4S, oh my goodness, look how long that is. What is this? Oh, they have two variants here. I think this is like a double stack, and this is like a quadruple stack here. Yeah, this is really nice. This is a step in the right direction, in my opinion. I really like seeing that. The EV300s with the high latency are 20% off currently. Let's see how much they cost. So 20% off is, let's see. Oh, this is off the receiver. Sorry. So about $2, $4 off or so. A little bit more than $4 off. So that's a what is it called? If you needed a cheap, decent module. These are actually pretty good modules. A cheap, decent module, then this should get you going. But I do really highly recommend the new Rapid Mix. I think that's what it's called, from basically Skyzone. The ones that come with the new Eachine EV300 O's here. Those are really good. Let's see, what else do we have here? Camera drones. If you're into camera drones, they got some stuff here. I'm not really into that. I have a couple of them that I never ever use. Here we have some transmitters. So if you're looking for a transmitter, I would highly go for a QX7, or the X9 Lite is my personal favorite. I don't care what anybody says. This one right here is my. Let me actually do that. It's 13% off, I think, just for USA, if they put USA there. So let's see, what is this right here? Yeah, this is actually better than the one I have currently, but this is a really good one. I mean, I really love my X9 Lite, and I use it for everything. Actually, it's right here. I can even show you right there. I use it for everything. This is one of the first ones that were ever released, by the way, without the Hall effect gimbals or whatever. And it's still good. I do have to do some sort of like a 5-point offset, or not an offset, deadband on the Betaflight for y'all on that. But you know, it's been, I think it's been over a year now. No, I don't really remember, but it's been quite a while that I've been using this, and no problems whatsoever, other than software problems. Like, well, it's not a problem, but you guys know the deal. And here's another one which is cheaper. Let me see. Maybe this is exactly the same one I have. Yep, this is the one I have. So it's $100, and I actually have all of them, but this is the one that I use. Let's actually make this yellow. So you get 10% off. So that's roughly, I would want to say around $10 off. You get it for $9. This is an absolute steal, like an absolute freaking steal here. But the problem with it is that you'll have to get an external module, especially for the newer receivers that are being out, or to use the older receivers, like I do with my micros. I have a, oopsie. Yeah, I have a module, and this is the wrong antenna, by the way. But yeah, I have a module for just about everything I need to use for it. So yeah, you might need to invest in a module or two. Anyways, the module allow you to fly sky, Spectrum, just a bunch of different protocols, even the toys if you're into that. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Do they have one here? Yeah, they have the modules right there. So you could even get the modules 40%. Are these really the modules? That's crazy. And here, I think these are the modules, and 40% off. Wow, 40%. That's crazy. 40% off. That's insane, actually. Unless it's already on the 40% off, or 39, but you get like 5% off. So maybe it's like a little trick, I guess. They're well known for it. So you get yourself one of these. I actually have this one. I do use it. Multi-protocol module. You stick it in there, and you're going to be good to go. So yeah, if you're buying that, buy that with it. That's what I would do instead of paying for the more expensive one. I'd get the cheaper one with the multi-protocol module, which is exactly what I have. And there's no problems, which is, again, really, really nice here. Here's some chargers and stuff and battery. Oh, these are batteries. Sorry. Here's some battery sales. I never recommend you buy a ZOP battery or ZOP battery. They are just terrible. Absolutely terrible. So stay away from those. Stick to what you see YouTubers using, like tattoos, the Asichi or whatever. I don't even know if they still make those. China Hobby Line are really good batteries. Those are like one of the longest lasting ones so far. Infinities were good back in the day. I don't know how good they are still to this day. I stopped using them. No reason, just stopped using them. And here's a soldering iron, which is the portable one. So this used to be $100 back then, and now with the coupon here, you can get it for $38. That's crazy. That is insane. $38 for this. I have 2 of them right now, and this company actually released a couple new ones. They wrote me the other day. They released some really interesting ones, some really interesting packages actually. Hopefully they're gonna send me a couple. I told them to send me a couple, so I do some giveaways also for you guys. But yeah, this is still gonna do the job just fine. So there is no problem in that perspective. That'll do everything you're gonna need it to do. The portability factor is really, really awesome. And well, that's it, guys. I'll have the coupon list down below. Go ahead and check it out. And yeah, that's it. And come join my Patreon. I do a ton of giveaways there and a ton of other stuff as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.